Hello! So on today's video, I'm going to be talking about a trick or a hack on how I got my iPhone out of this waterproof case. So I got this waterproof iPhone case, but then after reading a lot of reviews and after experiencing it myself, I realized that it was really hard to take the phone out of the case after you've put it in. So before anything, I'm just going to quickly demonstrate how to put the phone in. So this is the case as it is. This is my cell phone. Again, it's an iPhone 7. Take note that I have taken out my tempered glass. So put that in. That's my cat. That's my wallpaper. And seal it. Okay, so this is the sealed iPhone in the case. There you go. And now I'm going to take it out, or at least disassemble or open the case. So yes, you might find yourself in a situation like this where you realize that the phone is essentially in the case even if the case is open and there's no way to get it out. Just to share with you, I tried a lot of things to get this out the first time I put it in. So of course, like many people, the first thing I tried was to shake my phone. Oh yeah, oh my gosh. And kind of pray that gravity brings the phone down. So it didn't work, obviously. And the phone is still very much stuck here. It hasn't moved at all. Online, sa reviews, there were also some people that had to break the case. Other people naman, they damaged their iPhone in some way. But the trick I found after many trial and errors is with the use of just one handy tool, and that is your charger. So this is mine. It's pink. It's not like an Apple charger because your girl is broke and tepid life. But this is my charger. Obviously, if you got a phone, you should have a charger. So you should have just one of this lying around. First of all, just want you to know also that I tried it na nakasaksak siya, which is a dumb move. So nag-charge siya essentially, and naka-on yung cellphone ko. So I guess first things to do, remove this from the charger and then turn your phone off so you don't impact the hardware or software in any way. Okay, with that said, next you're gonna just simply insert the charger into the phone. You're gonna use it to slide it out or to wriggle it out. So this is what I do. Again, another tip, hold it by the the stem or kung ano man tawag dito, and not the base because it tends to just pull out and ma-frustrate kayo. Although, ingat lang because you might ruin naman your charger, but phone over charger, I guess. Using the tip, I'm just sliding it out, and you can see it's working a bit, like very small tiny movements. And yeah, I'll prove to you that this is working because look, kanina wala siyang gap, as in fully covered siya. Now you can see a little bit of a gap there, and sa baba, you can see that lumalabas a bit yung bottom ng iPhone. So it works. Just be patient. So I'm just gonna keep doing this a bit. If nagpo-pull out yung charger sa phone mo, it's okay, it's normal. We all human. In this case naman, when you put the charger back in the iPhone, may tendency na to go back in the phone a bit. That's normal. Again, nobody's perfect. I gotta work it. Another tip is not to grip the phone too hard because you might constrict it from going out. So just, yeah, slowly but surely start pulling the phone out. And as you can see, it is coming out. It's like the phone is now giving birth back to your iPhone. Yes. And with that, if you want, you can start pulling, if you can, pulling the phone out now with your fingers so it's less of a hassle. I really don't recommend that you guys scratch the home button or anything with your nails, which is what I did yesterday, and it was not a good idea. So if you feel like you still can't, then it's fine. Just keep pulling until you've gotten a grip of your iPhone. And Voila! Yes! Yay! And that is it. Now you have gotten your phone out of the case. Yay! I feel like all videos should have some sort of ending. So if you made it through the end, thank you. And if you're wondering why I even posted this, it's because I felt that this was a pretty cool technique that I really thought of, that I didn't search online to do, and it would help people on the internet who have a big problem with taking out this waterproof case. So thank you for staying through the end of this video. And dang, how do you end videos? Have a great day and a great life. Yay!